Hi, this is Mark from ShowMeCables, and today I'm going to show you how to terminate a BNC Male Solder Connector for RG58. For this project, we're going to need RG58 PVC cable, the BNC Male Connector, a coax strip tool, soldering iron with solder, and a wrench. To get started, we need to remove the jacket. Taking my coax strip tool, I'm going to rotate it around the outside of the cable. The coax strip tool will strip back the jacket and also the dielectric. Taking your fingers, peel back the braid and fold it over the jacket. Insert the pin on the center conductor and solder it to the copper. Take the remaining pieces of the connector and slide them on in the proper order. Insert the BNC Male Connector housing over the center conductor, sliding the pin all the way through. Push it down all the way against the jacket and screw the connector together. Hand tighten and finish with a wrench to make a secure connection. Give it a slight tug to make sure it's on tightly, and you have correctly terminated this BNC Male Connector.